Alright guys, it's Thursday morning early. I think the deer are going to be moving out of this standing corn over here. So let's see what we can see. Okay, one deer walked by us. Hopefully there's more coming because that one was really small. So let's keep watching. Well guys, I don't have the video equipment to videotape actual hunts. But if you can see that deer up there, lame. Yep. She's down where she was standing. That's always the best kill. It makes me feel good when they don't feel it, when they barely feel anything. I'm getting a little soft. But I like deer meat, so guys, if you enjoy these videos, we need some better hunting. We need some better hunting equipment for filming. So this was all done with my phone, and there's more deer moving at me right now. I can hear them coming. It's okay though. I think that was my last crossbow bolt. Pretty morning. Look at that creek bottom in behind me. There's a bedding area on the other side of that. And of course we got this standing corn out in front of me. And I knew with the winter phase that we're in, and the cold weather front that moved in, they'd be moving this morning. I really didn't want to drop that doe, but it was now or never. She was staring at me between those two trees, the two thin trees right there where she's laying. And I knew that if I didn't shoot, I was going to be listening to the deer run away with no deer meat. But I had a good kill shot on her, so I took it. Now I gotta wait for more crossbow bolts to show up in the mail. Just go work overtime. Well, it's a good morning, guys. You enjoy these videos, Foraging Truth, and how you can use God's creation to sustain yourself in clean living and clean food, and going back to the old world ways, then make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll try to get better camera equipment for hunting. But boy, it's already difficult sometimes to hunt, and to videotape that on top of it, it's a challenge I'm willing to do. I've always had a knack for hunting, so we'll do some hunting videos, and then I'll show you what mushrooms I mix in, maybe some recipes too. So, better video equipment. We are now monetized. We will be embedding a Foraging Truth store where you guys can see what I use in the woods and what mushroom bags I use and stuff like that. And T-shirts if you want to spread God's word and the good news. Then you can always have a conversation starter with one of our T-shirts from Teespring. And man, I'm just gonna enjoy this morning. I miss the old man. Get out there and keep foraging.